Discovering Abuja, Nigeria. Welcome to Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria, where tradition meets modernity. Established as the capital in 1991, Abuja is a city that symbolizes Nigeria's unity and ambition, nestled in the heart of the country. Chosen for its central location, Abuja was designed to foster national unity. Unlike other cities with historical ties to specific ethnic groups, Abuja represents a fresh start for a diverse nation. Dominating the skyline is Aso Rock, a natural monument that houses key government institutions. The presidential complex, where Nigeria's leaders make critical decisions, stands in its shadow. The National Mosque, a stunning example of Islamic architecture, can accommodate thousands of worshippers. Its serene beauty stands as a symbol of Nigeria's Islamic heritage. Conversely, the National Cathedral represents the Christian community, showcasing Nigeria's diverse religious landscape. Abuja is a melting pot of cultures, home to over 250 ethnic groups. This diversity is reflected in the city's vibrant markets, festivals, and daily life. Cultural festivals like the Durbar celebrate the rich traditions of Nigeria, featuring horse parades and traditional music. Markets are the heartbeat of Abuja, where daily life unfolds in vibrant colors and aromas. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. Education and innovation are pivotal to Abuja's development. Institutions like the University of Abuja play a crucial role in shaping the future of Nigeria's youth. Despite its urban development, Abuja is home to beautiful parks and natural sights. Milleniumpark offers a green oasis for relaxation, while Jabilake provides recreational activities for locals and tourists alike. No exploration of Abuja is complete without savoring its delicious cuisine. From jollof rice to suya, the flavors of Nigeria are as diverse as its people. As Abuja continues to grow and evolve, it remains a beacon of hope and opportunity for Nigeria. With its rich cultural heritage and ambitious future, the capital city embodies the spirit of a nation poised for greatness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Abuja. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more adventures around the world. What city should we explore next? Let us know in the comments.